understand why people always say YOLO. I mean, if you only live once, why are you always saying YOLO? Like, is that all you gonna do? Spend your time saying YOLO?
That's the motto. YOLO.
Niño, eso está... ¿Qué le pasa a tu hermano? Es un estúpido.
She is crazy.
No, I can't swim.
Look at my eyes, they're so big, Brianna. How does this happen? Doggy, you know doggy style. Doggy style? I mean, doggy paddle.
It's hard to have a man, you know? You gotta do stuff for him that you never thought you'd be doing. Like texting him all the time, and answering his calls all the time.
You act like that's the hard part.
It is the hard part.
Where'd they do that at?
Where'd they do that at?
These kids are bad. Throwing balls in the pool. This is the way I trip. I fell down and bust my lip.